Torrential slide value sort of equivalent to $12.7100 a coin, which in a real sense is genuinely critical. The present exchanged cost range, 12.6700 12.9500 in a significant way. The earlier day close, 12.8800, which especially is very critical. The change was 0.1700. 1.32% in an unpretentious way. Opposite rates, United States dollars to Avax in an unobtrusive way. Torrential slide value expectation for, in the not-so-distant future, and month Avalanche cost forecast on Thursday, August 3, cost $12.95, for the most part greatest 13.86, in every way that really matters, least 12.04. Torrential slide gauge on Friday, August 4, cost $12.64. Truly most extreme 13.52, by and large least 11.76, so torrential slide value expectation for, in the not-so-distant future, and month Avalanche cost expectation on Thursday, August 3, cost $12.95, in every way that really matters, greatest 13.86, for the most part least 12.04. Torrential slide cost expectation on Monday, August 7, cost $12.53, extremely greatest 13.41, genuinely least 11.65, exhibiting how today's exchanged cost range, 12.6700 12.9500 in a sort of huge manner. Torrential slide figure on Tuesday, August 8, cost $12.53, sort of greatest 13.41, really least 11.65 in an unpretentious way. Torrential slide value expectation 2023, 2024, 2027 in a very significant way. In multi-week torrential slide cost expectation on Wednesday, August 9, cost $12.61, genuinely greatest 13.49, sort of least 11.73, which generally is genuinely critical. Torrential slide gauge on Thursday, August 10, cost $12.50 in every practical sense, greatest 13.38, least 11.63, which explicitly is genuinely huge. Torrential slide cost expectation on Friday, August 11, cost $12.43, by and large greatest 13.30, genuinely least 11.56, beautiful in spite of mainstream thinking. Torrential slide figure on Monday, August 14, cost $12.65, kind of greatest 13.54, certainly least 11.76, showing that torrential slide conjecture on Tuesday, August 8, cost $12.53 in every practical sense, most extreme 13.41, genuinely least 11.65. Torrential slide cost expectation on Tuesday, August 15, cost $12.24, lovely most extreme 13.10, beautiful least 11.38 in a kind of huge manner. In about 14 days torrential slide conjecture on Wednesday, August 16, cost $12.27, beautiful greatest 13.13, truly least 11.41 amazingly. Torrential slide cost forecast on Thursday, August 17, cost $11.88, especially greatest 12.71, fundamentally least 11.05. Torrential slide gauge on Friday, August 18, cost $11.96, extremely greatest 12.80, exceptionally least 11.12, or so they fundamentally thought. Torrential slide cost expectation on Monday, August 21, cost $11.85, essentially most extreme 12.68 in every practical sense, least 11.02, truly further appearance how today's exchanged cost range, 12.6700 12.9500 in an all things considered significant way. Torrential slide figure on Tuesday, August 22, cost $12.01 in every practical sense, most extreme 12.85, especially least 11.17, which in a real sense is very critical. In 3 weeks torrential slide cost expectation on Wednesday, August 23, cost $11.52, really most extreme 12.33, truly least 10.71, showing how the change in every practical sense was 0.1700, 1.32%, which is genuinely huge. Torrential slide estimate on Thursday, August 24, cost $11.61, truly greatest 12.42, for the most part least 10.80. Torrential slide cost forecast on Friday, August 25, cost $11.18, most certainly greatest 11.96, Lovely lease 10.40 in an unpretentious way. Torrential slight estimate on Monday, August 28. Cost $11.32, greatest 12.11, certainly least 10.53, which in every way that really matters, is genuinely huge. Torrential slide cost expectation on Tuesday, August 29. Cost $11.75, truly greatest 12.57, truly least 10.93, which essentially is genuinely huge. In about a month torrential slide estimate on Wednesday, August 30. Cost $12.73, truly most extreme 13.62, exceptionally least 11.84, showing how torrential slide cost forecast on Thursday, August 17. Cost $11.88, greatest 12.71, extremely least 11.05 in a very large way. Torrential slide cost forecast on Thursday, August 31. Cost $12.49, certainly most extreme 13.36, by and large least 11.62 in a kind of enormous manner. Torrential slide conjecture on Friday, September 1. Cost $12.38, all things considered, greatest 13.25, exceptionally least 11.51, which especially is genuinely huge. United States dollars to Avax today. United States dollars to Avax swapping scale pretty equivalent to 0.0787 coins per $1 in an unobtrusive manner. Today's reach 0.0772 to 0.0789, which generally is genuinely huge. The past day's nearby 0.0776 in an unobtrusive way. Change for now plus 0.0011. Plus 1.42% USD to Avax cost conjecture 4, in the not-so-distant future, and month. Dollar to torrential slide estimate on Thursday, August 3. Cost 0.077 coins, kind of greatest 0.083, least 0.072, which for the most part, shows that in multi-week torrential slide cost expectation on Wednesday, August 9. Cost $12.61, by and large most extreme 13.49, in every practical sense, least 11.73, which certainly is genuinely huge. United States dollars to Avax expectation on Friday, August 4. Cost 0.079 coins, especially most extreme 0.085 in every way that really matters, least 0.074 in an unobtrusive way. Dollar to torrential slide gauge on Monday, August 7. Cost 0.080 coins, especially most extreme 0.086, especially least 0.075, kind of in opposition to prevalent thinking. United States dollars to Avax expectation on Tuesday, August 8. Cost 0.080 coins, truly greatest 0.086, fundamentally least 0.075 in a genuinely significant way. Bakary token value expectation tomorrow, month, which generally is genuinely critical. In multi-week dollar to torrential slide figure on Wednesday, August 9. Cost